The producer price index for final demand was released today for the month of March. We saw an increase of about 0.5% in March, which matches the 0.5% on a seasonally adjusted basis that we saw in February. On an unadjusted basis, we saw an increase of about 4%, which is a year-over-year number. And that 4% is actually the highest that we've seen since 2023. Largely, this is being driven by energy prices. So service inflation was flat, but energy has been a major driver of that 4% number. PPI is commonly thought of as a leading indicator for CPI, so it's not necessarily being passed along to the consumers at this point. But it does have implications for the way the Fed is thinking about rate decisions for later on this year. Probabilities of rate cuts have backed up quite a bit so far this year. And the good news is that energy prices can come down fairly quickly. So if we see some easing of the tensions in the Middle East, we see the Strait of Hormuz being opened up, we're likely to see those energy prices come down fairly quickly, which could then put kind of a reverse course and put less pressure on the upside to inflation.